All right, we are in our employee Sarkis's new vehicle. You guys have already seen his Mercedes-Benz E63S. He was a big fan of that car. He would challenge me to race every day. But ultimately, I guess he was just over Mercedes. So he changed the car now. He changes cars faster than anybody I know. And he has an M850i convertible BMW now. I mean, the 8 Series had a lot of hype, but I don't think it's doing that well. Especially the convertible. Not the biggest fan. I think they gave him a pretty good discount. So he went for it. Told us to take it for a spin. He's saying it's really nice. Makes a lot of burble noise. I'm sure he loves that. But let's check out how quick it is. I mean, it's definitely got some power and torque, but his E63S was definitely faster. Way faster. But now he's not saying let's go race anymore, because he realizes that the URUS is definitely faster than this car. I do like how the dashboard, especially where the speedometer is, that's really cool, that design. So BMW did a pretty cool job there, but I mean, I'm not a big fan of this. I still think they could do better. They added this crystal shift knob, which is one of their gimmicks. Kind of cool, but I don't know how much of a fan I am of that either. Like the URUS has the red thing that goes up. I think that's cool. This might be a little cheesy, but for Sarkis, it's good. Another thing you guys should not do is this. This, apparently he uses to not wear his seatbelt, which number one is not safe. Number two, this manipulates the car thinking you're wearing a seatbelt, which in an unfortunate situation, you get into accident, the car thinks you're wearing a seatbelt, the airbag reacts differently, a lot of things happen. So don't do this at home, kids. I would throw it out the window, but he'll cry when I get back. Also, his finger is injured today, so he'll cry even more than he is already. Being an employee at RDB has its perks. However, it's not a good idea to change your cars to brand new cars every year, every 6 months. And also, these are top of the line cars, which are very expensive. I know Sarkis loves cars, but you know, dumping a lot of money into cars sometimes doesn't make sense. So also rationalize your money. Where am I supposed to put this now? 1 second you move a car here, it gets taken in 3 seconds. Yeah. So now I have this idiot's car to put somewhere. I think we need two people, their honest opinions for Sarkis if he made the right choice. So Moses, come take a ride.
Sick-o. I know it's not as fast as the GTR that I test drove. That scared the crap out of me. But it's a nice car though. No, I want to stay alive. I respect the law. I feel like we're inside a church. Here we go, fellas. Oh, BMW. They say it's the ultimate driving machine. Here's the other one that was faster. Sarkis' other car was faster than this one. Am I on like sport mode or Sigtronic mode or whatever the hell they call it? %. The other one, Sarkis' other car was faster. It's a nice car, but I like the other one better. If the car is a second faster or 0.2 of a second faster, really doesn't matter. But congratulations, Sarkis. Nice car. Let's head back to the shop.
The last time you guys saw the convertible G Wagon, we did not have the windows in there. Took a few days, but we got the window right after 2 tries. So right here is the first glass we made and tried. It did not work as planned. And then as you could see, the second set is on there. Looks perfect. We're still gonna tint it to match this. Doesn't have a tint on there, but it's completely sealed, so no water goes in and out, even though there's no top. But yeah, it's sealed. We're gonna tint it. There you go. That's the added detail right there. We fixed up the sound system a little bit. We added the rear view camera, as you could see on the trunk. So now it has the review camera, a few little things left, and then this thing is off to New York. Can I break this on your head?
No, come on, that's too much.
Why not?
No! Oh, that'll never break.
Oh yeah, we got it now.
So we have this Expedition here. This is an older Expedition. Huge coolant leak is what we're gonna fix. Also the brakes. So this car's coolant leak is, as you guys can see, we have a brand new intake manifold here. That comes all assembled, ready to go. Everything beautiful, nice, ready to put in. Here's the old one. This part is plastic. You guys know these things crack so fast. So that's what we're doing. This is an original manifold. We're gonna take care of it with a brand new one. Also do a radiator on this car, upper, lower hoses. And we're gonna do a front and rear brake job on this car. So yeah, this car is getting a pretty nice makeover. We'll be ready on the streets by tomorrow. As you guys can see, it's a lot of work, but that's what we do. You know, we do difficult repairs. We do. There's nothing actually more difficult for us than, I mean, we do any of everything. So as you guys already know that. So we're gonna have this whole thing assembled by tomorrow. Let's go, Javier.
Everybody knows Moses has hairy arms, and he's afraid of waxing, so we're gonna help him out today. This is a new technique here at RDB. You get the arm, obviously. You see a lot of hair, like right here, this area. You just get it and you pull it.
Don't try that at home. Hey, come on, bro.
I'm in the pain already.
Look,
You cannot give me more pain today.
So we have this beautiful Chevelle SS here with the 427 beautiful Chevy engine. This car has a lot done to it already, but as you guys can see, those old things have to go. So we are putting really nice custom headers on this car. Javier's gonna take care of this one for us, and we already started the process. So we still have a lot to do on this car. We just completed the sound system, sounds amazing. Now we're on the mechanical end of things, so we're taking care of all that stuff now. We're gonna do the headers, and after that we got to still do some stuff to make this car run great. So stay tuned for this one.
You want to raise?
4 months.
Yeah.
After 4 months.
No, 7 months.
7 months. Yeah.
Hey, but my sound system is louder than yours.
No way.
You wanna try?
I have TVs. Do you have TVs?
That's the option. I didn't get it. I don't want TVs. I'm gonna get a TV for
Why
what?
would your car have an option for TVs?
I don't want to get a TV. Who's gonna sit in the white? I'm not a chauffeur, so people can sit in the back.
They don't even have an option for TVs for that car.
Let me just bring a laptop. And I do have a inside. If I drive, there is no windows. I have special things.
That's supposed to be every car.
No,
Yes.
no.
That's every car in the world.
The special thing you cover.
Every car has that.
No.
Every
Show me
car.
one.
Every car has that.
Show me one. I have a convertible here. Show me. Does this thing has it?
For sure.
Okay. How much you want to bet? This thing doesn't have
What
it.
are you talking
When
about?
we take this car
So
out,
this one, when you drive with the top down, you die because the wind kills you.
Yes, mine
Oh,
is
okay.
a special thing. Okay. Mine is better sound than yours. And I have a crystal things shifter.
This might be a little cheesy. For Sarkis, it's good.
And I have a crystal shifter.
Have you seen my shifter? You have 200 horsepower less than mine. My car does the same thing. My car does the same thing. My car still does the same thing.